All right, guys, here it is, the audio interface harness adapter for the non-Bose vehicles. You guys asked for it, and here she is. Okay, so this is the main piece that plugs into the back of the radio into the factory wiring on the vehicle. Down below here, this is your extension wiring, and we're going to get to all that. So just to give you an idea, I'll tell you what it is that you're looking at here. This main piece, again, plugs into the back of the radio, just like so. And then with that, you get your subwoofer amp connector that the cable like this would plug into. And then in the middle here, this is what I refer to as the multi-channel amp connector, right? So if we disconnect it, this side here would have its multi-channel wiring, very similar to this, that would plug into that. And then you could then run it all the way to the trunk where most guys choose to install their amps. And that's going to give you the audio signals that you need, your remote turn on, as well as, you know, your left, right, front, rear audio signals for the multi-channel side to connect that amplifier. With the subwoofer side here, that is what this is here. That simply connects just like you can see. Okay, and again, we would run that all the way to the trunk. In this case, you just get the front, left, and right with the remote turn on. Subwoofer amps only need 2 channels, so you get the 2 channels here, and away you go. Very easy, very professional way to connect your subwoofer amp via this. Another beautiful thing that this does is that this allows you to upgrade your system in stages. So a lot of guys want to start off with just the subwoofer amp, so you can keep these 2 connectors joined together until you're ready to install the multi-channel amp to amplify, you know, the door speakers and stuff. So that's the beauty of this guy here, is that it allows you to upgrade in stages, and you get a very clean setup visually and acoustically. The audio fidelity is going to be on point because we just got, you know, pure connections, no tapping, no splicing, and I mean, just everything is solid. You can check the build. The quality is phenomenal. All right, so that's basically all there is to it. Oh, one more thing. On this side, another beautiful thing about this harness is that it allows you to have built-in speaker wiring. So rather than doing it the old traditional way where you go out and purchase and run a whole bunch of speaker wiring to all from your amp to all the individual car speakers, this here, you can get another line like this that connects there. That's going to have you, or allow you to only do one run from here to your amp and connect to all the car speakers. So again, a nice all-in-one that totally eliminates the need to have to purchase and run speaker wiring throughout the whole car. You're just doing one long run, or maybe 2 if you decide to do your system in stages, right? So plenty of options and flexibility with that. Let's take a nice close-up look at the wiring itself so you can see that. Okay. There's the connector there. Again, this is extension wiring for a sub amp, and the multi-channel and stuff would be very similar. You still get the twisted pairs, right? You see, get that to focus in. There we go. Everything's labeled, also pre-stripped. So the goal is true plug and play, no compromise audio quality. That's what the goal is. Okay, and I think we delivered. So you can see how clean that is. It's really solid. All right, your remote turn on. And that's all there is to it. If you all have any questions, comments, as always, please feel free to drop a line, shoot a message, give us a call, whatever the case. We'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching. Take care now.